How to fix the Windows activation error code. So let's get started. Basically, when you are trying to activate a valid key through software license management tool, you may receive the error code 0xC004F025. This error usually comes with the error message access denied. The request action requires unlimited privileges. So in order to fix this, the first method is to run Windows 10 Activation Troubleshooter. The Windows Activation Troubleshooter should be your first option when you encounter the Windows error code during the process of activating system. Hold the Windows and I key to open the settings window, then navigate to the Update and Security section. Then click on the activation option in the left pane and then move to the right side of the window. Now scroll down the content to find and click on the Troubleshoot option. After that, the troubleshooter will run automatically to detect and fix the issue that affect the Windows activation. Users need to wait patiently until the process ends. Now, the other method is to change product key. As mentioned earlier, if you enter an incorrect product key in your latest Windows version, the error code will appear. So first, repeat this step 1 to step 3 of method 1 to navigate to the Activate section. Then drop down the right side of window to find the Change Product Key option. Then click on it to go on. In the pop-up window, type the correct product key of the correct system version and then click the Next button. Then follow the on-screen instructions to finish the operations. Now activate your Windows to check if the error is solved. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.